think you have some other stuff on it.
Yeah.
Most likely. Okay.
Ooh, it's bright red.
Mr. Stone, it's gonna like really burn your fingers.
Now, guess what? What did I just say about conduction? If it was going to conduct, I would not be holding it down. Obviously, they make these on purpose with a certain type of metal that does not conduct heat, meaning it doesn't spread the solid as well. Now, if this was copper, I'd be screaming, jumping up and down in pain, because copper conducts heat very well. Thank you, Copper. All right. I'm gonna bring a little. Oh, isn't that pretty? You see, look at that.
Oh yeah, it's red.
Oh, that is so cool. Okay.
Put it in the water when it's red.
Oh, man, you should feel it on here. I don't feel the temperature, but I feel the vibration.
One of my dad's friends got a grilling tool, and then he took all proud of it, and then set the fire. But then it's like,
We're doing the same thing. Okay. Ooh, look at that.
oh, it's red.
Ah!
That is
And
a
they say,
weird
Mr. Stone,
teacher.
you sound stupid. Look at that. But it's okay, because I don't mind being a fool. Because I'm a fool anyway.
No, but look at that. It's cool.
Like I say, I laugh at my own jokes because nobody else will. No, that's not supposed to be funny. It's a fact. All right, so I'm going to see. More. Let's do this one burn down. Would you guys, would you turn around, Christoph?
Look at it, Nikita. Hey, stop it.
Stop what?
He moved in front of the camera. No.
I think those who are talking are being inconsiderate. Having trouble getting rid of this one. So what I'm going to do, right? I say a lot of words like gonna. I don't need to. I'm not using proper grammar when I speak a lot. I'm going to try something new. Now you all have perfect grammar.
Oh yeah.
Okay, this one is Kate. Okay, I am now finally going to strontium. Chloride. And then that will conclude. Well, let me think about that. That's very enticing.
What's it called? Strontium.
Oh my God, it's darker.
Oh.
It's a darker red.
Oh, is it?
Now, what's the difference between this one and the last one?
It's more red.
And the flame's bigger.
Bigger flame.
Well, okay, but no, look at the color.
It's a bit like orange.
Darker, more orange.
No, it's more orange. Oranger.
Okay, Christoph, you are now moving back to Austin. Because I cannot take you turning around, constant talking.
Green.
Well, then what do we have on there?
We have
Remember? What was the one that burned really next screen?
zinc powder.
The copper.
Good.
Copper.
Now, what happens to copper? This is an open question you may or may not know. When it gets aged, when it gets weatherized, what color does it turn?
It turns green.
Green. They call that verdigreen. So, what's the similarity between aging copper and all of a sudden we have burning particles? What color?
Green.
Very interesting.
It's green.
Yeah, I'm burning off some excess copper chloride, it looks like.
Can we burn more of the copper chloride? Because that was really cool. And it was like blue and red and green.
All right. Let's try a little bit more of this wonderful material. Water is a wonderful neutralizer. And, oh, speaking of water.
It's raining. It's raining. And it's going to...
No kidding. Now, what does one flame consist of for combustion? Christoph, you tell me, since you're so interested over there. You tell me what makes up combustion.
Combustion, oxygen, fuel, and heat.
Good. Now, I had heat. You can see it glowing on here. And it was remaining hot and orange because what?
Because it got hot.
And it had
Right.
fuel.
What else?
Fuel.
It had fuel.
Oxygen was the big one because this was actually heated. It wasn't combusting. It was heated through. But what happens when I put in the water besides the sound?
It cooled down.
It cooled down. The heat was eliminated, right? And then the oxygen supply was cut off. Therefore, a little more of the same with strontium chloride, but I got some in here. One thing I should try to do is mixing the two together.
Oh, yeah, that'd be so cool.
Mr. Stone, what was the one that you said you probably weren't going to do?
I won't tell you.
What? Why?
We'll see.
Come on, you're gonna make something explode, aren't you?
You
will. You should make the copper one.
Dominic,
This
I'll
one looks like gray. So because if you make the copper one of that one, it'd be so green. The red should be green. Yeah.
So this gets so much color, and then it sort of saturates, and it doesn't get too much of a color after a while. Okay. All right.
What was the one that was like white and that went like
Sparkling?
it was
Sparkling?
the iron powder.
Iron powder.
No, that wasn't the iron powder. It was the one that had the white
Now,
line.
let's do this. Here's what we'll do. To make this last a little longer, we do have an assignment to go over, but I'm going to go through these again. You need to pay attention. Now, I'm sorry, guys. You're clustered here, and I see nothing but just hee hee ha ha, touch, touch, touch. Please stop. I'm starting to get angry. Okay? Because you're not focusing. You're finding a distraction. And then any of the girls are doing the same thing. Girls. Okay? I'm going to try this again. And then if you're really good, I may try that last another 6 minutes. Going to. So I'm going to start with the first one again. We'll go in the same order. This one.
What do they put on the ends of matches?
Question. I don't know. But there is a fire starter that is not a match. I'll start with this if I can mention that.
What?
Hold on.
What is that? Oh my god! I'm scared. That's cool.
You know what that is?
Yeah.
It's spark.
What's it made of? What is
It looks like, yeah,
flint
two
and
foot metal.
actually magnesium? Sure. It's called a magnesium fire
Oh,
starter.
it's so sparkly. It's so sparkly.
That's all
Okay.
red.
What's that?
It was
So I had
sparkling.
like sparkling fire.
Oh, yeah. Well, so there's probably a little residue in there. I'll keep the flame down a little bit because I want to preserve it. Because I know I'm going through quite a bit here. But the fun thing about doing science like this is it's fun in just going through it together as a class. And doesn't always work like Marina, when you tried the paper yesterday, it worked being on the spot. But it doesn't always work. I didn't get success with the powders very much. Yeah. What?
Nitrous.
Nitrous what?
You know, like you kind of put in cars? It's all red now.
Nitrous, I mean, what about it?
Yeah.
Are you
Ooh,
gonna
I want
burn it?
too much smoke. Does that make the alarm go off?
You want me to
What's that,
crack a
Chris? I
window?
don't understand.
Like, you're not just, you put in the car and make it go like this fast.